To be able to use Stencil in texture paint mode, we have to select the model, go to UV editing and make sure that the object is unwrapped. In my case it is. Then we need to add a new image. I would call it, I'm gonna call it canvas. I call it canvas because it's an image on which we are going to be painting with a stencil. Then next step is to go to shading and we have to add a new material, and we have to connect our image, canvas image, to that material. I've got it here. My bad, I should have saved it. That's it. Let's go to shading. It's already in here. Let's grab it and drop it in here, connect it to this material, to the base coat. As you can see, the cube has changed its color to this canvas PNG image. Next step is to go to texture paint and find the texture that we would like to paint with. To be able to do it, we have to click new, open, and go to the location on your hard drive when you store your textures. I'm gonna use this blender icon. Then I'm gonna have to go here to active tool and workspace settings. We have to make sure that the strength is set to 1 and the texture we are going to paint with is here, and we have to change from tile to stencil. And as you can see on the right now here, this is the stencil, and by clicking right mouse button we can move it about. Ctrl plus right mouse button rotates that. Shift and right mouse button zooms in and zooms out. That's stencil, and F allows us to set the size of the brush. Alright, so let's say I would like to paint this blender icon in here, and now by clicking left mouse button I can sort of like transfer this icon onto this side of that cube. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. Take care.